Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix or deal with Walmart order cancellations. So whether it was canceled by Walmart or by mistake, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and type Walmart help page in the search bar. Then click on the first website that appears in the results. From here, you need to check the Your Order section and hover to the Canceled Orders. From here, you need to understand why orders get canceled. Because number one, it's about out-of-stock items. The item was no longer available after checkout, maybe a suspicious activity, because Walmart sometimes flags orders for verification or security checks. Or maybe a shipping errors like invalid addresses or delivery restrictions. Or sometimes it's about payment issues. Your card might not have been charged properly or failed authorization. But if you feel that you haven't done anything wrong, you can always contact the Walmart customer care. Hover down below where you can see the option that says chat with us. From here, you need to make sure you provide the phone number or email that is associated with your Walmart account. Then you need to explain your situation very carefully and be honest about it, all right? Be courteous and be respectful. Say, for example, your order was canceled automatically and you'd like to reorder or confirm if the item is available. Most of the time, the Walmart customer support are very accommodating to any concerns and they will give you like troubleshooting steps on how to fix it, all right? Remember, if your order was canceled after payment, don't worry because Walmart automatically issues a refund. The refunds usually appear in 3 to 5 business days for cards and up to 10 days for some banks. You always need to check your payment method statement or contact you if it takes longer. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you again in the next one.